struggle that is fought to be welcomed, to be cared for, to be at home. Today, when all life seems bought and used, there's a struggle to belong, to be free and to be a gift to everyone. We call all families, rise up and raise your hands as one. Come show the world the love that bonds all God's children into one. We call all families, share the treasure that's in your hands. What can save us now? What can lead us now? What can make us all be one?